Hello, Born Eraser. I found this article that I want to share with you guys. I first want to start off and say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Now let's get into this article. Pennsylvania National Guard to be deployed at Brighton Rehabilitation and Wellness Center to fight the coronavirus. The Pennsylvania National Guard is assisting the Brighton Rehabilitation and Wellness Center and 7 other long-term care facilities effective immediately. The state National Guard is being deployed to assist those facilities fight with COVID-19. The sniffles has impacted the Brighton Rehabilitation and Wellness Center significantly, with 71 deaths reported at the facility as of Friday. While we continue to make positive strides in our efforts to control and prevent the further spread of sniffles 19, support from the National Guard will allow our facility to get much needed relief by permitting our nurses and aides to redirect their time and attention to the increase in health needs of our residents, a spokesperson said. Moving forward, we will continue to take every precaution necessary to keep our residents and our staff as safe as possible and reduce the spread of this unprecedented virus. Now, I do want to make you guys aware that I looked up that Rehabilitation Wellness Center, Brighton, and I found a couple of interesting things out about that place. First of all, their long-term care rating is below average, 1 out of 3. So what does that tell you? Also, their short-term rehabilitation is below average, 1 out of 3. Then I saw during an interview on 5/16/19, during an alleged interview on 5/16/19 at 10 a.m., a supposedly resident R1 reported getting into trouble when they didn't allegedly use 2 people to get patient into bed last month. That's why patient had to allegedly wear a brace on right leg and can't get up and walk around now. During an interview on 5/16/2019, allegedly the director of nursing confirmed that the facility failed to follow the physician orders for resident R1. So maybe the National Guard being deployed there, maybe it's for the best, because maybe they'll find other things. Maybe there'll be arrests or something.